Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for labels. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type in label to explore thousands of pre-designed templates. You can find options for various products, from food items to shipping labels. Select a template that aligns with your vision or start with a blank canvas. Remember to adjust the dimensions to your exact needs, perhaps a 2-inch by 3-inch rectangle, ensuring it perfectly fits your container or packaging. This initial step sets the foundation for a professional-looking label. Now, let's dive into customizing your label. Canva offers a vast array of tools to personalize your design. You can easily add your product name, ingredients, or any essential information using the text tool. Explore hundreds of fonts to match your brand's aesthetic. Incorporate your logo or other brand elements by uploading them directly. Don't forget to browse Canva's extensive library of graphics and icons to enhance visual appeal. Aim for a clean, uncluttered look, ensuring all text is legible, even from a distance of several feet. To elevate your label design, consider some advanced tips. Utilize the layering feature to organize complex elements, making adjustments much simpler. Grouping objects together allows you to move or resize multiple items simultaneously, saving you valuable time. If you have a consistent brand identity, leverage Canva's brand kit to store your specific colors, fonts, and logos for quick access. When preparing for professional printing, always account for bleed lines, typically 1/8 of an inch, and safe margins to prevent important elements from being cut off. Finally, it's time to prepare your labels for the real world. Once your design is perfect, download it in a high-resolution format. For printing, the PDF print option is usually best, as it maintains crisp quality and accurate colors. You can choose to print your labels yourself using a home printer and adhesive paper, or for larger quantities and a more polished finish, consider a professional printing service. Always do a test print on regular paper, first to check for any alignment or color issues, before committing to your final label stock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.